Hi techies, it's Fluffy. Since you have been asking on how to use the Jollibee Game Joy Card, here is a tutorial on how to load and actually use the Game Joy Card. Mara takes us through a step-by-step procedure.
Alright, so again, right after you go to Jollibee to get the latest GameJoy Combos, I'm gonna give you a walkthrough of how to avail the combos, alright? So it's a perfectly balanced fusion between gaming and delicious food. So let's take a look at the screen and they will show you a video. So when you order your GameJoy combo, this will come, and this could be at the App Store or a delivery. You will receive a GameJoy Card Mystery. It's a GameJoy Credits Mystery Card. And you're going to be scratching off the ink at the back, and it's going to be revealing the unique serial and pin. You'll be simply logging in the UniPin platform, and if you guys don't have an account yet, super dali lang. You can make that account. Now, you click at the top up, next to the profile photo, and you click on the GameJoy logo. You input the unique serial pin, and that is going to be the numbers that you see that can be found on your GameJoy card. And then your GameJoy mystery credits will be revealed right after you add it, and that will be on your UniPin wallet. And to be sure, you can even check your transaction history. Makikita nyo na pumasok ito. So just like that, once you scratch off the ink, you'll be putting in there your serial number and your PIN. And then you're gonna be clicking confirm. And it's that easy. Top up 100 pesos from UniPin. So you can see your favorite games supported by UniPin. 100 credits agad. At pwede nyo itong gamitin for your favorite games. And with that, you can use the credits in any game that you like. It's that easy. What you do, you get your favorite delicious Jollibee and you power up for your game. Alright. So that's a treat for all of us here. Talaga namang painit ng painit ang event natin. So Jolly Gamers, parang hit ito sa labas natin. Kaya reminder lang, ito ang ating, this is the card that you'll be receiving when you get your GameJoy combo. This is how it's going to look like. There you go. And right at the back where it says PIN, that's the ink that you scratch off. You will get your serial number and the PIN. So reminder to everybody, it's really hot in here kasi init ng ating event today. So stay hydrated, lalo na sobrang taas ng heat index ngayon. And now, manamig muna tayo.
If you're passionate about the latest in tech, filmmaking, gaming, and digital innovation, this is the place to be. Help us reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year and be part of a growing community that dives deep into the future of technology. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Join the conversation, share your thoughts, and let's build something amazing together. Let's make this milestone happen. Once again, this is Fluffy. See you next time.